Welcome back to Boosted Bunny. I'm doing something to the GTR. Today I'm actually upgrading some of the lights on the car. We're going to be looking at the reverse lights and the turn signals. I will show you that in a little bit, show you what it comes with. It doesn't come with LEDs, it comes with the standard like incandescent light bulb. And on a premium car like this that is over 100K, you really expect to have LED lights. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now, and I'm going to show you the lights that I bought. I got these from Diode Dynamics. I'm going to include a link in the description of this video as well of how to replace these. Now I've already started, so I wanted to pause, and I'll show you some of the differences after I show you what the lights look like. But otherwise, the video that they have is a great one for how to replace the lights. Now let's look at some of the lights that I got. So these are the lights from Diode Dynamics, and we're going to go through what they are. You can see here that I have some turn signals, and I have some reverse lights, and I have some license plate lights. So these ones are the turn signals, both for the front and for the rear. They're the same light. I got the lowest wattage. I can't remember, so I'm going to have to look that up. I'll put it in the description. But these ones, I don't want them to be super bright. I just wanted them to have the same brightness as the OEM, but then just have the that LED so that they go on and they go off instantly. They don't have that dimming factor that non-luxury cars do. This right here, I believe, is going to be the reverse lights. So we'll test those out. These again are in like a cool white color. These are the front lights, same as the rear turn signal. And then these are going to be the license plate lights from here. So a little bit brighter color. That should help give more of a premium look as well. So I'm gonna put half the lights in on the GTR so you guys can see them side by side, and then I'll show you the differences in installation. Just a small difference, you actually have to take out more clips. I would suggest taking out more clips than the Diode Dynamics video, but otherwise super easy, almost no tools required. Just got the rear turn signals in, and you guys can see the immediate difference. The one on the left, instant on, instant off. The one on the right, you can see, has that dimming factor to it. So obviously the LED is the one on the left. What's great about this is the color match is exactly the same. Now you can't really tell in the camera as I'm looking at it in the screen. It doesn't look like it's identical. It looks like the one on the left is brighter, but really it doesn't seem like it. It seems like they're the same brightness, just that it's that instant on, instant off, and then they are the exact same color. But what's cool about it is, let me turn these off so you guys can take a look, is it eliminates the yellow, egg yolk look. So if you look in this turn signal, you can see there's a little yellow reflection right in the center of the clear. But if you look at this turn signal, it's 100% clear. That's a huge difference. I'm going to try to put them side by side in the video so you can actually take a look at what they look like side by side, and you can see that yellow factor inside of the light. Now let's do the reverse lights. I just put in one of the reverse lights. I put in the left one. So we're going to go and try to test this out and see what the color looks like. Now the left is going to be a cool white, and the right is going to be the OEM. Just put it into reverse. Again, the left looks a little bit brighter, but they are the same. I don't know what's going on with the camera. The camera kind of makes it look brighter, but it's a slightly different temperature color. So it looks a little bit cooler, a little bit higher end than the one on the right. Now let's take a look at the license plate lights. Again, you can see the ones on the left are the ones from Diode Dynamics. It's the cool white color in the lowest lumens possible. You can see the difference on the right. It has that incandescent look, a little bit yellow. On the right, it's a little bit more premium, kind of that brighter white. Now, the reason why I went with the lighter lumens is that you don't need it to be too bright to outshine your reverse lights or lights. You just want something that's going to illuminate the license plate. So that is the rear of the car. You saw the difference between the left side and the right side, where the left was replaced with Diode Dynamics. Now the only thing that I want to say, in the description of this video I put a link to Diode Dynamics for their instructions on how to replace the reverse lights as well as the turn signals in the rear. Now there's a small difference. I have a 2017 GTR. I don't think it's any different than the other ones, but they only said to take out 4 clips. Now let me show you where the 4 clips are in case you want to do it yourself and watch the video. Now the 4 clips are actually, I'm going to illuminate this for you guys. Now the 4 clips are inside the car, and they are actually right by the opening. So you can see that's the opening of the car. The 4 clips are over here. There's one up there, one there, or I guess it's 5. Now there's additional clips that I would want you guys to take out. There's one up here. You can see on each side there's 3. 1, and then those 3 over here. There's 1 And let's see if I can get the other one, the third one. So you want to take out those clips. If you take out those clips as well, it's going to give you a little bit more flexibility in pulling back the liner without tearing it. Now in their video, they just kind of pulled it. You cannot pull it. If you pull it, it's a staple, it's not going to go back. So you want to make sure that you take out enough clips for you to do this properly and maintain the quality of the GTR. The last tip that I'll give you on replacing some of those LEDs is you want to make sure for the reverse lights that they're in all the way. So you're going to push it in and it's going to feel like it's all the way in, but it actually goes about halfway down. So just remember that in case they're not working. But that's the video. If you guys liked it, definitely consider supporting by subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.